Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Daily Expression. Today, we're diving into a delightful and nutritious journey with a Greek Yogurt Parfait. It's a symphony of flavors and a burst of health. So, let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this heavenly treat. 1 cup Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons honey, 1/2 cup granola, fresh berries, strawberries, blueberries, or any favorites. A drizzle of almond butter, optional. Now, let's break down the steps. Step 1. Greek yogurt base. Start with a generous cup of creamy Greek yogurt. This forms the luscious base of our parfait. Step 2. Sweeten with honey. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of honey over the yogurt. This natural sweetness adds a perfect touch to elevate the flavor. Step 3. Add crunch with granola. Sprinkle 1/2 cup of your favorite granola for that delightful crunch. It's the perfect contrast to the creamy yogurt. Step 4. Add enough berries as you desire. Time to add a burst of freshness. Toss in a handful of fresh berries. I love using a mix of strawberries and blueberries for that vibrant color and juicy flavor. Step 5. Almond butter drizzle is optional. For an extra touch of indulgence, you can drizzle a bit of almond butter over the top. It adds a nutty richness that complements the sweetness of the honey. A divine Greek yogurt parfait ready to be devoured. It's a celebration of textures and flavors, and the best part, it takes only a few minutes to prepare. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all things Daily Expressions. Until next time, keep savoring life's beautiful moments. Ciao!